y'all, checking in with you. Getting some more bed work done on Hutch, my 1986 C10 Custom. So we've got the driver's side bedside back mounted. Got a new front panel from our friends at Autometal Direct mounted. And we've got the bed floor has been treated with rust encapsulator converter. The bed repair up front that you saw in an earlier video. And we're just waiting on a new bedside for the passenger side. We finally elected it was just too farmed up to save, so we've pulled it off, and Autometal Direct is shipping us a new bedside for it. It's coming truck freight, so there's a little delay with that. While we've been waiting, we've been working on the frame. We've washed out probably about 10 pounds of Georgia topsoil and clay out of the frame. We've used simple green and a lot of scrubbing to get all that out. We then put down Eastwood rust encapsulator converter over that for a primer. And then we've finished that up with Eastwood's frame epoxy, which is looking pretty darn good if I say so myself. So there that all is. We've got a brand new set of body bolts, new chrome bumper with a new bumper mount waiting, and we've got primer and got a gallon of GM buckskin tan to spray the bed inside and out with to make it match the cab. Okay, y'all, we've shot the bedside down with primer after all the Bondo work, about 1,000 times on it. One last shot of primer on the tailgate. The bed rail, obviously still not perfect, but it looks a lot better and smoother. From about 10 feet away, it probably will look real good. All the rust in the bed has been treated with rust converter and has now got 2 layers of primer on it. Inside of the bedside that we have done repair work has been primed. And we have not tried to get any dents out of the fender wells. We're just going to take them like they are. It's an old pickup truck and it's going to be used like a truck, so little character in the bed's not going to kill anything. Now we're going to wait for the passenger bedside that's coming from our friends at Autometal Direct up in Gainesville, Georgia. And once we get that all bolted up and in line and everything, we'll be ready to shoot some color. Hey, all, this is that part of the show where I'm going to stop and ask you if you would just click on that like button, please, and go ahead and click on the subscribe button too. You're going to want to see what's going on. You don't have to watch all our videos, but if you subscribe, you'll get an alert whenever we put something up. You'll know it's there, and I'd greatly appreciate it.